Hello there, welcome to my unboxing. This is my first one. Um, we're going to start off showing you what I've got new to unbox, which is these, and then we'll go on to showing you a couple of my pops and talking about them, my brand new ones I just got. So, this mystery mini box, as you can see, hopefully without the glare, is the one from the It film. Also, if you look on the back, you'll see quite a few of them are 1 to 12s, but there's also a couple of more rare ones, like It is probably the rarest, 1 of 6. We've got pint size heroes, horror ones. In this pack, we can get the all 1 to 12s. We can get Freddy, we can get Jason, Gremlin, Beetlejuice, and then I've also got pint size heroes, Marvel Studios. And in this pack, you could get Captain America, Hulk, Iron Man, Red Skull even. So, without further ado, let's open this up. Hopefully we get something good. So, I think we will start with, I don't know why I'm moving that. I might as well leave it on myself, whatever. I think we'll start with this. I'm hoping for Captain America, hopefully. By feeling it, I'm not really sure what it could be. So this is going to be a surprise for me. Do I need to cut it, or can I just tear? Oh, this is good. This one can actually tear it along the seam like that. And in here, oh, it falls out. That's a good start. And we've got a little Marvel Studios first 10 years leaflet with it, which you can see. And we've got a checkbox on the back. So, I got a mini Hulk. You won't like me when I'm angry. So, yeah, little mini Hulk. So that's the first one. I'm quite pleased by that. Next up, let's show you some of my key rings as well that I got. We've got Captain America. We've got a minion. Caveman minion. We've got a dog from Secret Life of Pets. Got mini Captain America. Got a mini Spider-Man. and got a mini Hulk. So now I've showed you them. Let's get cracking with one of these boxes. So I think we'll start with this. Find somewhere suitable to open it. That should be enough. We have got more of these coming on another day. But for now, we're opening these. So, seems to be stuck down. I don't seem to want you to get into this properly. Look, you've got to rip the box. If you don't want it, but oh well. Get into it. So now we're into it. Oh, what have we got here? We've got a little bag. A bag like this. I'll try and guess what it is. Well, I think it's the bloke with the pipe. So let's cut this open. Bloke with the pipe, I'll show you on the box, is this dude here. If you can see, a bit blurry the camera, but there you go. Oh, right. See if I was right. I was, look. There we go. We've got one so far. Anyone remember what his name is? But that's so cool. I like that. Gash on the side of his face as well. With his pipe. So there's that. So now we will open this one. Remember, this one again we can tear. Oh, there we go. Maybe for the pops, and I've got a advent calendar for us to open, and I'll try and get to it each day, so do a new video each day for it. Maybe we'll do that in another video after this. Anyway, in this thing we have got a little leaflet again. On the back, a little checklist. Who's that on the bottom? Does anyone know who that is at the bottom? Not sure if you can see properly, but him. Leave a comment below. Right, and take it out. We get Elvira. It's got to be Elvira, isn't it? Yeah, it's a little Elvira. So that can go with my other ones. So that's what I've got so far. Obviously with the dude. Now we've got the last box of this. Can we get it in this? That's what I want. I want it in there. So hopefully we can get it. Find a place. Good place to open first. And we're in. We're in. Just open this up. Now we're looking for. We want it to be in this. I'm hoping that we do get it in this. So let's open it. You always try and open this carefully, but it never happens because of the way it's stuck down. Oh, it's always a bit of a pain, but we're there. So about that, itchy nose. Right. So, got the bag again. Obviously. Oh, this is quite a big one, this one. I can feel it. This might be. This could be. This could be it. This could be what I want. I would say it is. I can feel. I think. Let's hope. Let's be lucky. I'm excited. Please. Go on, be it. Let's see. Not deluxe, you get to see it first. And we've got it. Yes. That is good luck. That is 1 of 6. 1 of 6. And we got him. Look at him. It's the dancing one. Can't believe it. We actually got it. And we've got 2 more boxes like this to open on another day. Can we get more good ones? Can we get another it? One of the different styles. Like the spider one. Or maybe the one with balloon. But that was good. We got today it. Dancing Pennywise. We got him. Forgotten his name. Not good that I've forgotten his name, but I've forgotten his name. He's over there somewhere. Anyone remember his name? Leave the comment. So we've got those 2 from it. We got Elvira. Elvira. I don't know how you pronounce it. Any ideas? And we got a mini Hulk. Hulk. So I think that's it for now. I'll do another unboxing at a later date. Please leave some comments what you think about the video. Yeah, it was my first ever unboxing. I'm quite pleased. I got it. I got Pennywise. I wasn't sure if I'd get that, but yeah. So thank you for watching, and I hope you'll come back to see the next unboxing and what I do next. Next up will be the calendar, which I've already opened day 1 and day 2, but we'll look at those. We'll open the others up to now, and hopefully, if I can remember, I will do one each day and open and film it as I'm opening it. Okay, thank you. Bye.